Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel BBTechHub. So today I will show you some more basic commands about this network. So in the previous video I discussed about the ping command. Yes. In this video I'm going to show you two more commands. First, what is the getmac? You know na, every host having a MAC address. MAC is a 48-bit address. Okay. So if you want to know the MAC address of a device, so which command we are using? We are using the command is getmac. So let's see. Okay. Let's come to this system. I just type getmac. So what it is, you see, it is the physical address. We know the MAC is called the physical address, and you can see it is 48. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 12 hexadecimal digit. And 1 hexadecimal means 4 binary. So 2 into 4 is 48 bits. So which command we are using to check this? This is nothing but my getmac. Okay, everyone. Now see one thing more. There is also another way we can verify it. How we can verify it? Check it. Graphically also we can do it. Just Windows are ncpa.cpl. And we right click on Ethernet, go to the status and go to the details. Hello everyone, can you see the physical address? If you want to check it graphically, you can go through this way. And if you want to check it through the command prompt, you can type this command, that is getmac. Okay. Okay. Next, I'm going for the next vital command, and that is nothing but the ipconfig. So you all know, to know the IP address of a host, what command we are using? We are using ipconfig. You see, I'm getting the IP address. Yes or no? Hello, everybody. So if you feel, I want to know more about this TCP/IP settings, so I can use ipconfig /all. Okay. See, I'm getting several things. Yes or no? I'm getting physical address. I'm getting whether DHCP enabled or no. I'm getting the DNS server. Everything I'm getting over here. Yes. So this ipconfig command we can use in different ways by using so many switches. So first you see, if I go for ipconfig all, that is show all TCP/IP parameters, just I showed you. You know also na, ki if my system is getting the IP address from the DHCP server, so how to verify? I can go for ipconfig /all. So I think it is very much evidential. If my system is getting IP from the DHCP server. Now I want to disconnect it from the DHCP server. So which command I am using? We are using release. So when I am adding this switch, what happens? So my host has been disconnected from the DHCP server. That is not receiving any IP address from the DHCP server. You can verify it. And you all know in this moment which IP address will come. That is nothing but the APIPA. In the DHCP section, I discussed it. Now again, I want my system must get connected with the DHCP server and request for an IP address. So what switch we are using? We are using renew. What we are using? Renew. So let's see what happens. Okay. So, hello. Now see. My system has received an IP address from the DHCP server. That means here two switches are also very important. What are those? First, you see one is the release. Release means release the current IP address And renew means request for a new IP address from the DHCP server. Now, see some more command regarding the DNS server, okay? Using ipconfig switch. So hello everybody, I'm coming over here. So let's see. Once again, I just want to show how we increase the font size. We can increase the font size in that way in the command prompt. I think it is now more visible clearly. Now see, in this system, I think you have seen, we can see the DNS server. That means in this machine, DNS server is mentioned. So I want to see ipconfig space slash DNS. It is another switch. What happens? This command will clear the resolver cache. Okay. So what happens in the machine? The cache hold on some DNS queries. So the moment we use this command, what will happen? It will clear it. Now see what happens. The output will come. Hello. See what it is saying. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. What I told. Every machine, local machine, holds the DNS request and that is stored in the cache. So we call that is DNS resolver cache. The moment we use this command, it flushed out the DNS resolver cache. So this is also another switch. Okay, everyone. Now I am going for the another switch. That is called the display DNS. So we want to see the content of the DNS resolver cache. So first of all, what we will do? First, we want to see this cache. Is there any there or not? Display. Nothing is there. Why? Because just I have what I have done. Just I have removed the cache. You have seen it. We have flushed out. By using which command? By using the flush DNS. So right now, if I say ki display, so it cannot show anything. Okay. So whenever you want to see what the content of the cache, we can use this command is ipconfig display DNS. And the moment we want to clear it, we use this command that is flush DNS. Okay, everyone. And another more important command that is called the ipconfig register DNS. What happened? This is very important and it refresh all DHCP leases. I told you, na, DHCP server assigned the IP address on a lease basis. Okay. So this command, what it will do, it refresh all the DHCP leases, and what it will do, it will re-register the DNS name. Okay, so these are the very important switches of ipconfig. That is ipconfig /all, ipconfig space /renew, space release, space flush DNS, space /display DNS, space register DNS. And last, if I want to see what are the switches I can use by using this, so I can write ipconfig space / and then there is a question mark. And now see, my dear, you will get all the options. And if you want, what you can do, you can verify each and every command. Am I clear? You see what happens? I have showed you these, and there you will get lots of commands. Yes, everyone. So in the free time, everyone, you can sit with your system and you can run all this command and verify the output. Okay, these are very important commands. So today up to this, thank you.